I'm Justin Six, and this is another vlog. And today's Friday, and that's a whole week of vlogs. I think I started on like Monday-ish again, so I'm pretty happy with that. Today is a day that I'm meant to talk about programming. I was hoping that I'd be done with the next game that I'm working on as part of the tutorial series by today, so that I'd have something to show/share. But I'm not quite done with that game. I'm over halfway done with it, though, at least. I have the movement of the spaceship in the game done. I have the collision done. Enemies, the level setup. Like, I have a lot of stuff already done with the game. And the game, for those who don't know, I don't even know if I've mentioned it. It's going to be kind of like Star Fox, where you're like flying around a ship, but it's you just move up and down and left and right, and then diagonally. And then you can shoot at enemies, but your path is on rails. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I've learned like so much already just from these 3 games that I've been working on now. And then after that, I'm gonna make like a tower defense thing. But yeah, concerning programming itself, I'm always surprised by how much I like programming. Like, I think out of all of the game development stuff, it's probably something like story and game design I like really love. That's probably my favorite part. But programming is very close, and sometimes I like programming even more, which is weird because I don't like math. I didn't think I would like programming. I only started programming basically. I first got into game making just from writing, and then I started programming because none of the programmers I had worked with were actually doing anything. So I was like, okay, I'll just teach it to myself and then I'll do it, and then I don't have to rely on people. Turns out it's a much bigger task than I thought to just learn programming. So yeah, but I'm now at the point where I'm actually like making shit, which is really cool. And even now and even today, I still like regularly, like when I'm talking to people, there's so many people I know who they program, but they don't like it, or at least they don't seem to like it by the way they talk about it. So I think it's really nice that I just really enjoy it. And I think that's kind of a lesson in general, even if you have no interest in programming. Just for things in general in life, even if you think you won't like it, just try a bunch of shit. Like, it was the same thing with dancing. I only tried dancing, specifically I took a hip-hop dance class because it was something I was uncomfortable with, and I ended up loving it. So yeah, I don't know. I've found just in general that like trying new shit is always good because you never know what you'll end up loving. And if you don't know what you love doing, like passion-wise, then there's no other way really to find out what you like. Like I know a lot of people too who are like, oh, I don't know what I want to do with my life. They don't necessarily say that specifically, but then they're spending most of their time like playing video games or watching TV or like doing stuff where you don't actually like learn. You can't discover what you love to do by watching a TV show. The TV show tells you what to like, and it tells you to like that TV show. So it's not gonna, most likely, of course you can have like ideas from watching stuff too, but in general, you're only gonna find out what you like doing from doing stuff. And from trying programming, I ended up loving programming, which is weird because it's not something I thought I would like. Yeah, I don't know. There's not like many specific things that I'm learning new No, I am learning specific things, but like the general principles of programming I've had down for like a long time actually, like knowing if statements, switch statements, booleans, the different integer, the different variables, all that stuff, and then using classes, functions, and all that. But now what I'm learning is more how to put it all together. For a long time, I just had all this information. I knew all this stuff, but I was bad at like actually using it and putting it together into something. So these tutorials of like making games has really helped to show me how to actually put it all together. And then also I'm learning specific functions specific to Unity, obviously, and then specific to the different things that I need to do. Like if I need to destroy a game object, I need to like use destroy, parentheses, whatever I'm destroying, etc. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I don't know. I talked about a couple things. In general, I'm doing good. Today, I'm going to go see my baby cousin for the first time, which will be cool. And yeah, I hope you're doing well. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did enjoy it, be sure to leave a like. If you have questions, comment down below. Feel free to join the Discord if you want to be more involved in the community, or you can check out my games as well that I talked a little bit about on itch.io/Justin6, which is also going to be in the comments. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.